As you already know, I have my iPhone and I've got it repaired. Yes, my iPhone's repaired now. It's fully working. It was already fully functional, but the screen has been replaced, the touch, and it seems to be in decent good job. This is awesome. Got myself a nice iPhone 4, can use as an ePod, or I'm not using it as a cell phone right now. Not in the mood for it. I just use it for my Twitter and Instagram and Skype with Dennis, Cousin Smash, and Shazam and stuff. It's a nice accessory for handy little things. But I really love this iPhone actually. Very nice, decent machine. Lovely. Google Earth. That is very amazing as well. It's yeah, love this iPhone. Yeah. I'll just turn that off right now. If you want to know how I do that, this is the task manager. So if you battery for your iPhone goes very fast. If I just press that, look, press that, or press Twitter. Then if I press that again, double click, you see it's all still opened. So it means your battery goes very fast. So press that long, then you just click them away, and all the taskbars, all the programs are stopped. So that means your iPhone battery is going longer. So there you know. My iPhone is fixed. Woohoo! I'm happy. Oh, I got a message. I'm wanted. Bye bye.